half an hour, right? Exactly. So first of all, you tell me, how are your sessions going on Clapingo? It has been, like I said, it's the 44th session.
Every
So,
session have a new things. I learn new things, and
okay,
and it's an amazing platform to learn the spoken English. And
right. Mhm.
I I, I learn lot of things like lot of tips and tricks how
Okay,
to cover English spoken.
okay.
So
So
all
mhm.
experience was good.
Okay, great. So are you benefiting? Can you see any difference in yourself?
Yes, ma'am, a little bit different because just because of I'm not uh, doing much from my side. That's why
Okay,
I get a little bit difference.
okay.
So
You're just only finding only a little bit difference because you're not maybe doing a lot of things from your side.
yes, correct.
Okay, so why aren't you doing a lot from your side?
Uh, just because of a time shortage.
Yeah, shortage. So the last G is pronounced like J, like J in jungle.
Time
Shortage.
shortage.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I think the last time we were talking about superheroes, right? If
Yeah,
I'm
right.
not wrong. Fantastic Four.
Yes.
Yeah. So it has been such a long time, right? And I have, so the thing is, uh, as a speaker, I'm talking to so many people every day. So it gets a little difficult to remember who this person was, right? So I
Ye-
was a little confused, but I was thinking it is the guy with whom I talked about superheroes, and you were talking about Fantastic Four and
Uh,
what their powers are. Yeah. So I
yes.
just wanted to be sure about that.
Actually, I just want to know because you are all things are memorized, and I'm not and I am not also know about that because I have just checked before the sessions. Which
Okay.
which which is our last session means topic and
You,
all the things.
even you don't remember.
Yes, ma'am. And
Yes.
I'm shocked that you all the things are remember with you.
I get this a lot from learners here because touchwood, like I somehow remember things. So like we had this, and even your setting is different. And I think that day, were you wearing a cap? I
No.
don't remember. No? Okay. But anyway, I remember the background. There was like the setting was different. You were sitting in a room where, you know what a ledge is?
Yes, correct. These all
Yeah.
things are
Yeah, so there was behind the wall there was a ledge, and there were some things kept on that ledge. So
yeah,
I just
yes,
remember that scene.
like this.
Yes, exactly like this.
Yes, ma'am.
I could see the corner of that room, and I remember you, and then we were talking about exactly. So yeah, I just wanted to be sure.
How to remember these all things, ma'am? It
This has got nothing to do with English. I don't think so.
okay.
But
It's
it does
amazing.
help me a lot. So, like, so with people skills, it helps a lot. So I'll give you this example. So you will feel nice that I remembered you, right?
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
after this long. So this is something which I like. This is a God gift, I'd say. I don't know. I think when I'm speaking to someone, I really am into the conversation. So
Yes.
I really am focused into the conversation. So that is why I think I remember. I remember the little details.
And are you engaged with any other work?
No, so right now, I'm an engineer. So I was in the IT sector, and then I quit my job, and right now I'm preparing for jobs in the public sector.
Are you an engineer, ma'am?
Yes, I'm an engineer.
In
Why?
means
Sorry?
which field? Which
Which
field?
stream? Okay, yeah. So electronics and telecommunication.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay.
Why so? Why this like puzzled look on your face?
Yes, because just I am actually I working as a technical support engineer, so I want to know that which field I working before that.
Okay. So technical support. So you are into IT, right?
Yeah, right, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah. So I was also in the IT industry. So, it doesn't matter which engineering you do if you end, like generally these days, everybody ends up in IT.
Yes, 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 correct.
Yes. Yeah. So, yeah, right now I'm preparing for jobs in the public sector and doing this part time. But I really love doing this.
But
So, this
it
is,
right now is a booming field, that is IT field, and
yeah,
all the
yes,
telecommunication is a
yes.
lot
There's,
of vacancies and all these things. You can also do the technical, yes, as a tech support job in is a US client with US client, and they have a much
yes.
better salaries.
I agree. I agree. Like I said, I was in the IT department, and all my friends when we started, I got like placed when I was in my college, so campus placement. So I got that, and all my friends were also there, and now they are doing very well. You know,
uh,
so everybody has switched jobs, maybe even twice, and now they have very good packages. But I just wanted to explore my options. I mean,
uh,
the money is good, I understand, but like I don't know. I just wanted to see what else is out there.
because there was only 5 days working, ma'am. So we have a 2 days time also, Saturday and Sunday. So we can
Yes,
explore
but
our
then
2 days also.
no, I meant career-wise explore.
Okay.
Like I don't know. I just didn't feel like sticking with that which I got from college. I just wanted to see what else we can do. See, I wouldn't have been here if I was still in IT. So because I left the job, so once you leave a job, you have to think of so many other things, right? What
Yeah.
all can be the opportunities. So I wouldn't have thought about clapping if I was still in a job because I would not have time. I would not get any time for this. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I would. I don't know, but I don't regret it. The best part is I don't regret it. I'm happy
Even
with.
even I'm my main motto is join to the Calpingo is doing job in a these field, because I am
Okay,
working as a technical support engineer. Then if you have a good spoken English knowledge, then we can deal our overseas client and we can work with the US client also. So
exactly, exactly.
that was
So yeah,
my background to join the.
clapping off.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the name of the platform again?
Clapingo.
Yeah, now it's correct. The first time you messed it up a little. Yeah, now
Yes,
it's
yes.
fine. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, I think to each his own, you know, whatever works for to each his own. Okay, so this is a
He
phrase.
is on.
Yeah, I'm writing it in the chat. Or to each their own, something like that. You can also say.
To
So
eat
whatever
this
suits
on.
to each his
Yeah,
own.
on.
Yeah. So it means whatever works for you. So something might be good for me, but not for you,
Okay,
right?
correct, correct.
It means that this is the use this is the context where you would be using. So somebody like this conversation we had, so you think this is a good career path, but I think this is a good career path. So in that case, at the end of the time, like at the end of the conversation, you can say, yeah, it's fine, to each his own, whatever works for you, right?
Yes, yes, right, ma'am. But
Yeah, so
this
this
is
is
also a better. It's a better platform to do the job on Clapingo or Cambly app, any
Mhm.
other. It's a good, and it's also like you, you have more experience, more than experience. If we have doing any technical support job and we are doing a
Yes.
teacher job, then it's better thing is a teacher job, like what you are doing right now.
Yes, so I think it's about your interests and your priorities, right?
Yes, right.
So this job demands different things. So I have to be in front of the camera all the time. So I have to be presentable all the time, and I also have to speak a lot.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is a different thing. So someone who doesn't maybe enjoy talking to people as much would not like this job, which for them maybe a technical like an IT job would be much better. So there are many people, it comes to your character also. Like
Yes,
not character, yeah, your
I,
character
I
traits.
would be prefer that job when I'm a good speaker, or when I
You would prefer this job.
yes, because that's just